welcome to XUCPA channel. Today is day 26 and tip 26. Our topic today is bad debt deduction. Now the reason why I want to talk about this topic is I do see many circumstances or many scenarios when business owners have bad debt and they lose out the deduction because they don't know that these are actually legitimate deductions. So when you file your tax return, if you have a bad debt situation, you do have to remember to claim those bad debt deduction because it is a deduction that would reduce your taxable income. Alright, so there are two scenarios that you will have bad debt. One is if you're a cash basis taxpayer, or another one is if you're accrual basis taxpayer. Those scenarios are actually different for cash basis taxpayer and accrual basis taxpayer. So if you are a cash basis taxpayer, the reason why you would have a scenario of bad debt deductions is because you loan out money and you just could not recover the money that you loaned out because there's no way that you will be able to recoup the money. So what are the scenarios? Like example, you may have a loan to an employee, advance to an employee, but your employee actually quit and then disappear and you could not claim back those receivables or notes from or advance from your employee, and therefore it becomes bad debt. Now another scenario is that maybe you make a down payment to purchase something for customers from your vendor and your vendor disappear and now your money is gone, and those could actually be technically your bad debt deduction. So if you have a scenario like that as a cash basis taxpayer, please remember to include because those are actually legitimate bad debt deduction for you. Now for accrual basis taxpayer, if you have been sending and billing your customers, you will realize that when you pull out and generate your accounts receivables aging report at the end of the year, you would notice that some customers may owe you money for a long period of time, such as the receivables might have been outstanding for more than 90 days, more than 120 days. Now for those long outstanding receivables, if you're contacting your customers and they're not replying and maybe they went out of business or their business is really not doing well, so they really could not pay you back those money anymore, then those are considered bad debt deduction as well. If you're confused, it's quite okay. If you have questions, please reach out. We would love to talk to you, and I will be sharing some more important tips of how you can reduce your taxes for year 2020. As usual, we really need your support, so please like, share, and subscribe, and we would love to talk to you again. Goodbye.